Hello student, this is Surabhi here from Krishna classes, and today I am going to tell about the topics properties of ionic compounds. So what is the today's topic? Today's topic is properties of ionic compound. This topic has related to the chapter 3 of the class 10th. You know very well the name of the chapter is metals and non-metals. So for knowing the properties of ionic compounds, you have to see about these activities which have given here. Here two activities have given. First is heating a salt sample on a spatula. When we take a burner and spatula containing sample of some salts like NaCl, potassium chloride, sodium chloride, then what will happen? When we providing heat, then spatula containing sample will become melted. Okay. Now come on the second one activities. What will happen here? We take a beaker and adding some salt solution under the test, and also adding 2 graphite rod. Also put 2 graphite rod in the solution and connected with battery, a bulb and switch. Then when we switch on, then what will happen? Bulb become glow. So this is the testing of conductivity of salt solution. So what will result? We will find out. Here some observation has given. First is the physical nature. Ionic compound are solids, sometime what hard. Okay. Strong force. How become they are hard? Because in the ions which are present in the solid state, they are strongly attracted to each other, and the ions means positive and negative charges are the strongly connected to each other by strong force. That's why solids are somewhat hard. Okay. Now come on the next point, melting and boiling point. Solids have the, ionic compounds have the high melting and boiling points. Okay. Ionic compounds have the high melting and boiling points because more energy needed to break the strong bond. Because in the ionic compound, both ions are connected to each other by the strong force of attraction. That's why melting and boiling points are very high of ionic compound. Solubility. Soluble in water. Ionic compounds are soluble in water and insoluble in kerosene, petrol, etc. Now come on the next point, conduction of electricity. It involves the movement of charged particle. What you can say about the conduction of electricity? You can say conduction of electricity means movement of the charged particle. So in the solid state of the ionic compound, do not conduct electricity. Okay, in solid state do not conduct electricity, but in molten state they do. It means they conduct electricity. You can say in the second. You can see in the second activity, here is salt solution under the test. So in this state, molten state of the ionic compound is present. That's why they conduct electricity. Okay, so this is the today's class. I repeat again, here two activities have given, and by these activities we will find out some observation. Physical nature. Ionic compounds are solids, are sometimes hard. Ionic compounds are solid, are sometimes hard. Because why they are hard? Because in the ions of ionic compounds there are strong attraction force occur between them. That's why they are sometimes hard. In melting point and boiling point, they show high melting and boiling point because there is much more energy needed to break down the bond between the ionic compound. Solubility, soluble in water but insoluble in kerosene oil and petrol. Conduction of electricity, they involve the movement of charged particle. It means conduction means movement of the charged particle. In solid state they do not conduct electricity, but in molten state they conduct electricity. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand it very well. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am providing you continuous video of the class. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.